for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with same.
I am Sangeeta Tiwari, proud mother of Maira Tiwari.
In the fire, man, I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot.
Hi, I am Vikas Tiwari, proud father of Maira Tiwari. She is such a wonderful girl. She amazes us every day with her intelligence and charm.
Don't believe me, just watch.
I feel very proud to see her performance on stage with confidence. She loves singing and dancing and interacting with friends.
Good morning, everyone. Standing here in front of you is the most confident, dazzling, and beautiful doll. Even though I'm so beautiful, but I am still quite intelligent. My smile is infectious. My innocence is contagious. And my charms are magical. In every word I am special. I am such a fashion queen. I dance to the tunes. Yo-yo harnessing. I love eating chocolate and cakes. पापा कहते हैं मैं ऊँटी रोड्स. मम्मी कहती है I am a little chatterbox. Dada Daddy says my accents are super cute. मैम कहती है मैं स्पीचेस देती हूँ मैं इतने पावरफुल. होती है बड़े लोगों से वैसे टैसी टैसी. मैं तो बड़े होटल बनूंगी हीरोइन अपने जैसी. I am who I choose to be. With the promise I show and the potential I have, I will break new ground. एक दिन आएगा ऐसा चाहेंगे आज सब बनना है हमें मायरा जैसा. This is Maira Tiwari signing off. Thank you.
I feel very proud and happy for her, and credit goes to her teachers and mother's pride.
The second runner-up goes to Maira Tiwari.
Don't believe it, just watch.